sellers. Today I'm going to be talking about some changes that have been implemented into the Business Solutions Agreement, specifically Section S6. So originally, this section was control of Amazon's sites, and it has recently been changed to Amazon's website and services. So we do think some sellers will run into issues with this portion of the document being a little bit too vague and open to interpretation. Specifically, it could be very misunderstood. It's not really clear what Amazon is requesting. And it almost seems like Amazon is going to give sellers more control over the listing page. So the way that it's worded makes Amazon insinuate that they will be giving sellers more control, but it also looks like they will be able to remove and suspend any access. They're pretty much wording it in a way where they're saying they won't remove any access or privileges, but they have the right to do it. So this could definitely run into issues. We do see a lot of, listing suspensions or even IP complaints occurring as a result of the changes in this specific agreement. And also, this agreement mentions that Amazon will be assigning rights and responsibilities for anything that's on their website, which still is a way of Amazon saying they will have control over, the listing pages. If you're trying to create a listing or even join a pre-existing listing, we do think sellers will run into issues with this. So all in all, I personally think that, sellers are still going to have an issue gaining control of listings, even if they are the rights owner. They might even, for certain listings, they might even need prior approval from Amazon. So we do see it causing, types of listing suspensions or IP suspensions. That's it for now. So thank you for listening, and make sure to read the Business Solutions Agreement, as many changes have been implemented since.